Hi Amanda. So I just wanted to show you how this is what you've got was like a progressive web app link. What we want to do is turn that into an actual app, right? So you can see this on desktop right here. If you wanted to see it on a laptop or a computer, then you could do it there, right? Um, or you can also add it. This is how you put it as an app on your phone right there. Okay. So close that off. We're going to go to add to home screen. See, it's going to show an icon there. And then you add it like so. And then if you go out to the main screen of your phone, not in your folders or anything, like not in here, but in your on your like desktop of your phone, you'll see the little app there, right? And then it's gonna take you in, and then it'll function like an app, and you'll get push notifications and things. Okay, so if I'm updating something, or you want to find out, we could set it up so that you know whenever people sign up. We'll set up push notifications, and then your phone will beep at you when something's going on the site. Okay.